In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify checkout page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your admin, which settings matter most, and how to make your checkout look and feel like your brand while keeping it as simple as possible for shoppers. First, sign into your Shopify admin, make sure you're logging into the correct store and that your account has permission to edit checkout settings. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get right in. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to move into the settings. Look to the bottom left corner of the admin and click settings. It's the gear icon. This area contains all the store-wide configuration options that affect customer experience, payments, policies, and more, so it's the right place for checkout controls. Next, click checkout. Depending on your theme or plan, this may appear as checkout or checkout and accounts, but it leads to the same set of controls. This page is organized into sections for customer contact, order processing, tipping, privacy and refund links, and the visual styling of the checkout. Now customize your checkout fields and appearance. Decide how customers contact you at checkout, email only, or email and phone. Keep in mind that asking for fewer fields generally improves conversion, so set optional fields, like company name or address line 2, to optional or hidden, unless they're truly required for fulfillment. You can also choose whether to require a phone number for shipping, enable tipping if it fits your business, and confirm your policies are linked so customers can review them without leaving the flow. For order processing, review preferences like automatically fulfilling digital items and whether to save customer information to speed up future purchases. For appearance, open the checkout editor to add your logo, adjust the banner or background, and set your brand colors and typography. Aim for strong color contrast and a crisp logo so buttons and form fields are easy to read, especially on mobile. If you're on a plan that supports it, you'll also see options powered by checkout extensibility. Those can add advanced customization but keep things focused and uncluttered. When you're happy with the configuration, click Save to apply your changes. Shopify updates your checkout immediately, so take a moment to preview it and scan through the steps as a customer would. Confirm forms are easy to complete, error messages are clear, and your branding looks consistent. That's it, your checkout is now tailored to your store and optimized for a smoother, more trustworthy buying experience.